Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom tab in your WooCommerce product page. This is a fantastic way to display additional product information, specifications, sizing guides, or any custom content that helps your customers make better purchasing decisions. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, to add a custom tab in your WooCommerce product page, start by clicking on Plugins in the left navigation menu. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new functionality for your store. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here's where things get specific. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Custom Product Tabs Lite. From the search results that appear, look for the plugin called Custom Product Tabs Lite for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This step is important because you want to ensure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, click on Activate. This activates the plugin and integrates it with your WooCommerce setup. Once your page refreshes, look at your left navigation panel again. This time, click on Products. The menu will expand, and from here, click on All Products. This will display a list of all the products you currently have in your WooCommerce store. At this point, you can opt to add a new product or use an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing product to show you exactly where the newly added custom tab appears. Go ahead and click on an existing product from your list. Once you're on the product editor page, scroll down until you see the product data section. This is the area where you manage all the details about your product, like pricing, inventory, and attributes. From the left side menu within this section, you'll notice a new custom tab has been added. This is the feature we just installed. From here, start by entering a tab title. This is what your customers will see when browsing your product page. Then add the content for this custom tab. You can include text, images, videos, or any information that enhances the product description and provides value to your shoppers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom tab to your WooCommerce product page, giving you more flexibility in how you present product information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.